Hi all, here I have 3 types of commercial brands of shaving cream, usable with or without a brush. Some packages indicate an exclusive manufacturer for the armed forces. I have 2 here, 2 types of Barbasol, one normal commercial package and an overseas special. Same with the Molly, with a exclusive special surface packaging, all complete with the contents still inside. This one is the regular Barbasol. Still with its contents, it's a lead tube with the painted on graphics. Next is another Barbasol, and this one is the overseas special packaging for the armed forces. And again with contents same as before, a lead tube with painted on graphics. With directions to the back. And then the last one is a Molly with special surface packaging. And again with the contents still inside. And again a lead tube with painted graphics. Quite nice. Thanks for watching.